Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the settings icon, and after you find it, of course, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called system menu, and then tap on it. And here, look for the option called Reset. Tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Be aware, though, that if you factory reset your watch, you will lose all of your data and settings from your watch. So, just a warning. And now let's wait until the reset is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.